Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in launching Google Slides from your Google Drive using your computer. Google Slides is an online app that lets you create and format presentations. It allows you to share your presentation or collaborate with other people to complete the presentation. In order to use Google Slides, you need to log into your Google Drive first. Enter your Gmail address and click Next. Confirm your account by entering your password. Then click Next. Once you are in your Google Drive, you can access Google Slides from your suite of apps. Click the waffle icon to access these apps. Launch the Google Slides app from the suite. You can now start working on a new Google Slides presentation. You can find the next tutorial video on exploring Google Slides using your computer. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.